Assalamu alaikum, Zamanum Shekiba Day. My name is Shekiba and I'm teaching Pashto, and you could find some more information about COVID in link below. Okay. Alright, so there is some basic phrases like for example hello, salam. Salam means hello. How are you? Tusinge. How are you? Tusinge. What is your name? Istanum Sishede. Istanum Side. What is your name? Istanum Side. My name is Shekiba. Zamanum Shekibade. Zamanu. My name Zamanu. How old are you? Ista Umar or Sin Sumrada. Z Salor Kalan Yastam. I am 4 years old. Z Salor Kalan Yastam. Please, Mehrabani. Please, Mehrabani. Thank you. Tashakkur. Where are you from? Taso de Kumzai Yas. Where are you from? Taso de Kumzai Yas. I'm from Zamazaide. Zamazaide. Nice to meet you. خوشحال شم تا ببینم. خوشحال شم تا ملاقات تاسو سره ملاقات وکم. خوشحال شم تاسو سره ملاقات وکم. Goodbye. خداحافظ. Goodbye. خداحافظ. Please. مهربانی. Thank you. مننه و تشکر. Thank you. مننه و تشکر. Where are you from? تاسو د کوم ځای یاست؟ I am from Zamazaide. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. ډېره خوشحاله وشوم تا سره ملاقات وکم. Goodbye. خداحافظ. Goodbye. خداحافظ.